Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Choose your friends wisely. A moral story: stay away from bad people as they will use you to their benefit. A young dog decided to travel across the country. His mother warned him, never be friendly with bad people. They can spoil your character. The dog agreed. On his way, he began to feel thirsty. So he stopped at the river. He met a crocodile there. The crocodile said, "Please be my friend. I get bored here all alone." The dog agreed and met his friend every day. One day, the crocodile said to the dog, "Can you please bring a lamb here? I have not eaten anything for 2 weeks. We can eat it together." The dog pitied the crocodile and went to the nearby farm. The dog saw a lamb and decided to jump the fence. Just in the nick of time, the farmer arrived and beat the dog with a stick. The dog realized his mistake and thought, "My mother was right. I should have chosen my friends carefully."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.